Alright guys, so there's a lot of curiosity about the Tesla and its towing capability. So it can actually tow 5,000 pounds. So we're going to make a delivery for our business, Innovation Smith.
The Hitch adapter takes less than 2 minutes to install on your Tesla.
Pop this little tab right here on each side and then pull the cover off. So throw that in the cab. Inside here is a dust cover. Pull the dust cover out. Okay, we're going to pull our hitch out of our bag, and they've got this little key locking system. So we'll put the key in here, unlock it, pull out and twist. Whenever we shove it up in here, it'll lock. So it's locked into place. We're going to lock it, pull the key out. Last thing we got to do is throw our hitch in to the receiver, and we're ready to tow. Got an adapter here. This is meant to plug an RV in. Yes, you can tow an RV with it.
This car is nice to tow with. You can't even feel the load back there. There's no tugging or anything.
Backup camera helps pretty well. Push back and lock. Put a pin in that. There are spots to hook our chains underneath here. And of course we are crossing our chains. Alright, so we're hooked up and ready to go once we get a pin in there. So, about to be another happy customer. See you guys on the next video. Alright, this delivery is here and ready to unload.